How to link Facebook to Instagram. Firstly, open your preferred browser. Log into your Facebook or Facebook page. Now, go to your profile. On your profile, click on the three dots shown here. Scroll down to Page and Tagging Settings. Go to Settings after that. Then, click on Linked Accounts. Now, click on Instagram. Similarly, click on the Connect Account button. Then, click on Connect button. After that, click on Confirm. Log in to the prompted Instagram page. Click on Not Now. Finally, your Instagram account is successfully connected to your Facebook account.